In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link an image on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're setting up a personal portfolio, a team project page, or a business website, being able to create clickable images can enhance the user experience significantly. Let's dive right into it. First, let's make sure you're on the right platform. Open up your web browser and type Google Sites into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. This will lead you to the Google Sites homepage. Here, you'll see a list of sites you've previously created, or you can start from scratch if you prefer. Now that you're on Google Sites, find the specific site where you want to add a clickable image. Click on that site to open it up. The site will open up in edit mode, allowing you to make changes and additions effortlessly. Next, locate the image on your page that you want to make interactive. This could be any image already uploaded to your Google site. Click on that image. As soon as you do, a small toolbar will appear right beneath it. This toolbar is your key to adding a hyperlink to your image. Navigate over to the link icon within this toolbar and give it a click. A pop-up box will appear. This is where the magic happens. You have two choices here. Paste an external URL into the designated text box, or, if you want to keep the navigation within your site, select a different page from your Google site. Either way, ensure that the link destination is correct. You want your visitors to end up at the right place. Once you've entered or selected your link, click Apply. It's as simple as that. The link is now applied, and your image is ready to guide visitors to your selected destination whenever they click on it. The final step is to publish your changes, ensuring they're live for everyone to see. Move to the top right of your screen and find the Publish button. Click on it, and your site will go live, complete with your newly clickable image. And there you have it. A linked image on Google Sites, done swiftly and efficiently. In just a few simple steps, you've added an engaging element to your site that offers visitors an easy way to navigate or learn more. Remember, interactive elements like these not only make your site more dynamic, but can also significantly improve user interaction. Happy web building?